Hello, CEP 200 students, and welcome to Unit 6 of the course. This unit is your conclusion unit. So, we are pretty much wrapping up. We're almost all done. But I definitely still wanted to do a unit video for this because I still think it's important to talk about some of the stuff as far as like expectations. Um, so, if you notice, you should have received an email that talked a little bit about the deadline for the unit as well as expectations for the cumulative assignment. So I just want to reiterate those things here. So as you can tell from the tracking calendar, this unit does end on a Friday instead of a Sunday. It's the December 10th. I do not grant any extensions after the 10th. So if you do submit anything after this date, unfortunately, I won't accept it. I'm swamped with grading, and I also like to make sure that the university has the grades in on time and everything because they have a pretty tight deadline for the instructors. So it's nothing against students or anything. I can't accept anything after the 10th. So please keep that in mind and plan accordingly. What's really kind of cool about the conclusion unit is other than your unit assignment, or I'm sorry, not the unit assignment, the cumulative assignment and the last journal, that's really all you have. So for Journal 5, the prompt is, what did you take away from this course? Make sure you give me more than a sentence or two. I want to really hear a reflection of, what you thought was beneficial. It is a little bit repetitive because that's essentially what the second part of the cumulative assignment is about. But just give me a brief synopsis in the journal prompt about, what you took away from this course. What worked well for you? What did you like? What was the benefit for you taking the course? So just give me a little bit of information about that. And then for the cumulative assignment, I really, really, really want to make sure I say this. So your cumulative assignment is worth more than double the points of a unit assignment. Your cumulative assignment is structured very similarly to that of a unit assignment. So please keep in mind, you really need to be sure that you are providing substantial responses to this assignment. If you're only giving me a very small paragraph or you're only giving me 1 to 2 sentences, you are not going to get full credit, and this can be a very, very big hit on your grade. So please make sure you're taking the time to do that. The other thing that I want to mention, do not copy and paste answers from unit assignments. SafeAssign will flag and notice that you used the same response from another assignment. This is not meant for that. So basically what is meant for you to do in this assignment is be able to go through these questions and answer them without looking at previous material. So tell me more now about what you've learned about this or what this is and so forth. So your answer should not be the same as it was in a unit assignment earlier in the semester. So please don't do this. You will get a 0. We do not reuse work in this course at all in any shape or form. Trying to think. So I think from the previous unit, the only thing left I have to grade is Unit 5, or the Unit 5 assignment, I'm sorry. And then, at the end of this unit, you'll definitely have your grades for the advocacy paper, the journal prompts and stuff like that. So a little bit for me to grade, but we'll get there. And like I said, we just want to make sure that we're turning everything in on time for the Unit 6 assignment. The sooner everything is submitted and I can grade everything, the sooner you're going to get your grades. So think of it that way. I'm trying to think of any other important information. Oh, this is important. So there is going to be an extra credit opportunity. I just have to post it on, I do have to post it within the announcements in UB Learn. So you will get an email about what that's going to look like. I'm thinking it's going to be between 30 to 50 points, which is a lot. The only other time I've given an extra credit assignment that was worth this many points was during the pandemic. And that was because things were crazy and I was trying to really make sure that students were able to be successful in the course. So as hard as I have to be with deadlines, please know that I do care about, each and every one of you, and I want to be able to facilitate you being successful in the course. I never want to be a roadblock. I never want to be make things difficult for you. But like I said earlier in the semester, there's a difference between being understanding and then also just like enabling behavior that accountability and responsibility is not taken. So I have had to enforce some deadlines with some students after stating many times that I'm, either you have to send me an email and get an extension granted, or I wasn't accepting late advocacy papers. So please just know that, it's not my intention to be cruel or not be understanding. I am human, and I have given a lot of sympathy and empathy to students and allowed them to turn in late work and stuff like that. So please just keep in mind that I want to help you be successful. So if you need anything, please email me. And keep your eyes peeled for the extra credit assignment that's going to be posted under the announcements in UB Learns. And again, you will get an email. It is adding more things for me to grade, which isn't fun for me, but I understand that some students miss some deadlines in the course and would really benefit from some extra points. So please know that this is my attempt at kind of like meeting you halfway. It's probably going to have something to do with the Adverse Childhood Experiences study. I have an idea, but I just want to look into some things and make sure that it's going to work out. So I think that is it. If you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. It has been absolutely fantastic to teach every single one of you. Majority of the class is getting an A, which makes me very happy, and I hope that makes, those who are receiving an A happy, because you guys really put in the work to make this happen. And I hope that you guys got everything that you wanted to out of the course. The second part of the cumulative assignment is feedback. So please give me feedback and be honest. Like if something wasn't working for you, tell me. Students who have taken this course before, if they were to come back and look at it now, will see that I actually take feedback that I get from students every semester, and I actually make changes to the course with them. So I take it very seriously. You guys pay for this course. This is your learning. And if I can make improvements from semester to semester, I want to be able to do that. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, anything like that, shoot me a message. But other than that, if I don't see you guys, have a fantastic break. Bye, guys.